Today we would like to introduce you to the MSI B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC motherboard. The perfect bang for buck solution for your first or second generation AMD Ryzen processor. This model is packed with many gaming features that are usually found on expensive high-end gaming motherboards. Unlike other mid-range platforms, this B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC offers overclocking capabilities. That's why this model features a beefed up digital power design we call Core Boost and an extended heatsink cooling for the best overclocking performance. The B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC is of course equipped with RGB lighting offering millions of colors. With MSI Mystic Light functionality, it's also possible to synchronize the lighting with other RGB illuminated components. To give you the best storage performance, the B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC features Turbo M.2, utilizing the blazing fast PCI Express 3.0 x4 interface and M.2 Shield SSD cooling. The memory slots with DDR4 boost technology offer speeds of up to 3466 MHz, while the steel armor reinforced PCI Express slots can handle even the most extreme graphics cards on the market. Next to an extensive selection of wired connectivity options, the B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC can handle the latest wireless standards, supporting Bluetooth 5.0 and Intel dual-band wireless AC connectivity. The dual antenna design features a fast and stable connection to give you an uncompromising gaming experience. A great new feature called BIOS Flashback Plus allows you to flash to any BIOS version within a matter of seconds. This feature works even if you don't have a CPU, memory or graphics card installed. If you want to know more about the MSI B450 Gaming Pro Carbon AC motherboard, make sure you visit our website. Happy gaming!
Here it is, the brand new Asus ROG Maximus 12 Hero Wi-Fi motherboard. This Z490 based motherboard supports Intel's 10th gen processors. It's designed to offer an outstanding experience, stock or overclocked. The advanced VRM features an impressive 16 power stages to ensure more than enough power under heavy loads. This hero not only looks cool, but stays cool by design. This new heatsink design is bigger, better, and cooler than previous models. A 3-zone VRM heatsink with a large heat pipe keeps the power circuitry cool. And the M.2 heatsinks keep up to 3 SSDs at the right temperature for consistent performance. To the right of the CPU socket, we have 4 DDR4 DIMM slots for up to 128 GB of RAM. Thanks to our OptimM3 design and a new daisy chain topology, the Hero can overclock to higher frequencies like 4800 MHz and beyond. With support for our exclusive AI overclocking, AI cooling, and ROG GameFirst 6 software with AI networking, your system can automatically tune itself for the best performance with a few clicks. Setting the industry standard is our pre-mounted I/O shield, making installation a breeze. The back panel includes plenty of USB 3.1 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports, USB C, ultra-fast Intel Wi-Fi 6, dual LAN ports featuring 5G and 1G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1, and analog and optical audio outputs powered by ROG Supreme FX for an immersive audio gaming experience that draws you deeper into the action. To expand your system even further, you'll find a USB 3.2 Gen 2 front panel connector, 3 PCIe 3.0 by 16 slots, 2 of which include our safe slot design to keep your GPU safe and secure, 2 RGB lighting zones, one on the chipset and the other on the I/O shroud. Addressable and standard RGB LED headers let you coordinate lighting effects across your entire setup with AORUS Sync. The best just got better with the Asus ROG Maximus 12 Hero Wi-Fi motherboard.
Hey guys, welcome to this first look of the brand new AORUS H370 Gaming 3 Wi-Fi. This is the brand new motherboard that supports Intel 8th generation of core processors, and as the name implies on this board, this one has Wi-Fi right out of the box. So if you're gonna go for a straight up gaming experience, I definitely recommend going for this board because this has everything that you need. You have Wi-Fi, you have M.2 thermal guards, you have RGB fusion, so you have a ton of stuff that's ready to go for you. So in this video, I want to take this board out of the box so you guys can take a closer look at it. We've definitely stepped up the design on our H series boards, especially compared to the previous generations. Before, H usually meant low cost, entry level, cheaper end models, but this time around we decided to put all of the high-end AORUS features on this. So you can see we have that M.2 thermal guard, as I mentioned earlier. You also have metal guards on the PCIe slots as well as the RAM slots. So that's usually features you don't find on more mainstream models, but for the Gaming 3 Wi-Fi, we do offer that. You also have support for AORUS RGB Fusion, so what that means is you're able to control all the lighting effects on your motherboard. You have different lighting zones, different color profiles, different color customization options, and you also have support for digital LED strips. So if you like to customize your PC with a ton of RGB lighting, this is definitely a good motherboard to use as your base platform. In terms of I/O, we have a USB Type-C on the back here, as well as a header for front panel USB Type-C. So yeah, this board, as you can see, you have a ton of great features. It's a really awesome looking board. And as I mentioned earlier, if I was just looking for a great out-of-the-box solution, I don't want to tinker with anything, I don't want to overclock anything, I'd probably pick up this board because this has pretty much everything I need for my gaming PC. I just need to plug in my graphics card, CPU, CPU cooler, RAM, and then yeah, I should have a pretty awesome gaming PC. We also include a couple accessories in the box. As I mentioned earlier, you have your Intel CNVI Wi-Fi. So this little card here, bracket with this external antenna. We also have a couple other nice features, or a sticker of course, I/O shield, as well as SATA cables.
Hi, this is Greg from Asus ROG, and in this video, we're going to take a quick look at the ROG Strix Z390E gaming motherboard. With stronger power delivery, higher memory frequencies, and more reliable cooling options, the Strix Z390E Gaming is the ultimate foundation for your top-tier gaming computer. The motherboard is equipped with an LGA 1151 CPU socket for 9th generation Intel Core processors, as well as being compatible with 8th generation Core i7, i5, and i3 CPUs. This board also supports the latest version of Asus 5-way optimization. By using smart prediction and thermal telemetry, the intelligent module automatically creates an overclock that would normally take you days of tinkering to do on your own. Also on the board, you will find 4 DIMM slots that allow for up to 64 GB of DDR4 memory, with OptimM2 support for stronger memory signaling and stability. There are 2 M.2 NVMe sockets and 3 PCIe 3.0 by 16 slots, 2 of which feature Asus SafeSlot technology, keeping your GPU safe and secure. This board also features built-in 802.11ac Wi-Fi with Game First packet priority. The built-in audio solution is the ROG Supreme FX S1220 8-channel high-definition audio codec, capable of crisp and clear audio. And with support for Sonic Radar and Sonic Studio 3, you'll have every edge you need to hear your enemies first. On the rear I/O, you'll find a PS2 keyboard and mouse combo port, dual USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, and 4 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, 3 Type-A connections, and 1 Type-C. There's also DisplayPort, HDMI, an anti-surge LAN port, dual Wi-Fi antenna connections, 5 audio jacks, with 1 optical SPDIF output. You'll find that the rear I/O panel comes pre-mounted, making for an easy installation. The black metal aesthetic, highlighted with holographic cybertext, makes for a stealthy-looking board. But if you want your board to stand out a bit more, it can be complemented with customized color and lighting patterns through the addressable and standard RGB headers, as well as the RGB lighting zone. Your other ROG components can be matched to your motherboard through AORUS Sync.